from the Rameshwaram Cafe in Bengaluru. The Rameshwaram Cafe owner and his wife have now been booked for selling harmful food, criminal conspiracy as well. A customer had filed a complaint after the eatery had accused the customer of blackmail over worm-invested pongal that was served to him. My colleague Neha Hebbale joins us on the broadcast with the details. Neha, complaints being filed against Rameshwaram Cafe owners. What are the details?
Well, that's right, Pratibha. Of course, it seems like trouble is now mounting for the owners of Rameshwaram Cafe after a worm was reportedly found in a plate of pongal that was ordered by a customer by name Nikhil. This was, of course, a couple of months ago in the month of July is what we know at the airport branch of the Rameshwaram Cafe. And right after, this worm-infested pongal was found, reportedly a lot of other customers in and around that entire area started to film this entire incident. And a few minutes later, while this customer who had, in fact, the worm-infested pongal was mid-air, reportedly a few other passengers or a few other customers for that matter have tried making calls to the owners of Rameshwaram Cafe and reportedly tried extorting money from them is the allegation that had come in. Now we're being told that while the case was initially registered at the Wiley Kaval police station, it's now shifted to, in fact, the airport police station. More importantly, the owners have in fact been booked because reportedly the calls that came in from the unknown person here, or the unidentified person here, had absolutely nothing to do with the actual passenger itself who had consumed this worm-infested food. All of this, of course, under investigation further is what the airport police have confirmed to Times Now.
Okay, all right. So a complaint had been filed, worm-infested pongal, that's the charge. And now the Rameshwaram Cafe owner and his wife have been booked. Neha, thank you for joining us with those details. With that, let's get our viewers more breaking